In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Meeting between the Deputy Prime Minister for the Economic Affairs and the Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers of Turkmenistan. Talks between the Minister of Public Health and the Head of National Development Company regarding the remaining work of Ghazni Provincial Hospital. And 15 Pakistani soldiers killed in recent attacks in Pakistan. Welcome to today's news package. It's Sunday, the 13th of Shawwal Muazzam 1447, the 12th of Dal 1404, and the 1st of February 2026. The news details. The Deputy Prime Minister Office for the Economic Affairs has announced that Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Khund, the Deputy Prime Minister for the Economic Affairs, is scheduled to meet today with Rashid Miradov, the Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, along with his accompanying delegation in Herat province. Based on this statement, the meeting will focus on economic trade issues as well as the strengthening of relations between the two neighboring countries. Maulvi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, held a meeting with Abdurrahman Atash, the head of the National Development Company, to discuss the completion of unfinished project at Ghazni Regional Hospital. During the meeting, Minister Jalali emphasized that completing the remaining work at Ghazni Hospital would significantly enhance healthcare services in the province and provide greater medical facilities for the people of Ghazni. Meanwhile, the head of National Development Company assured that additional efforts would be made to ensure the timely completion of the project. The news continuation. The second township for the returnee migrants has been integrated in Zabul province. According to the officials, the township covers an area of 4,330 acres of land and 5,000 residential plots have been allocated for the returnees. In accordance with the approved regulations, each returnee is granted one plot for land measuring 500 meters. The township plan also includes the construction of health centers, mosques, schools, madrasas, darul ulum, institutions, recreational parks, sport fields, commercial centers, and other public facilities. It's worth noting that land ownership documents were distributed to a number of returnees during the inaugurating ceremony. And ultimately, Pakistani media outlets have reported that 15 Pakistani soldiers were killed in recent operations carried out by Baluch Liberation Movement in various parts of Balochistan. The reports further claim that 92 Baluch freedom fighters were also killed during the clashes. According to the reports, Baluch Liberation Movement announced the launch of Operation Hero of Second against Pakistani government and military. On the first day of the operation, intense attacks were carried out on the government and military installation in several cities, including Quetta. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.